Good afternoon, teacher Paul. My name is Solín Capaz. My grandfather. This is my grandfather. My grandfather name is Juan Pasosa. He is 88 years old. This is my grandfather. My grandfather name is Francisco Valladares Mendoza. He is 74 years old. My grandmother. This is my grandmother. My grandmother name is Dora Saucedo Ciancas. She is 81 years old. This is my grandmother. My grandmother name is Hilda Paricia Llosa. She is 70 years old. My parents. This is my daddy. My daddy name is Jaime Paz Saucedo. He is 51 years old. This mom, my mom name is Mirta Valladares Aparicio. She is 48 years old. This is my sister. My sister name is Vania Paz Valladares. She is 19 years old. This is my brother. My brother name is Juan Diego Paz Valladares. He is 20 years old. This is my sister. My sister name is Tatiana Valladares. She is 7 years old. This is my sister. My sister name is Alondra Paz Valladares. She is 4 years old. This is my dog. My dog name is Mara. She is 2 years old. This is my dog. My dog name is Tena. She is 60 months old. This is my cousin. My cousin name is Juan Brampas. He is 15 years old. This is my niece. My niece is Valentina Navarro Valladares. She is 6 years old. She is auntie. My auntie niece is Nancy Urbina Pisotto. She is 18 years old. This is Huincli. My Huincli name is Rudy Valladares Aparicio. He is 41 years old. Thank you.